Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve AMD installer error 195. It's something went wrong and installer cannot continue because it's unable to access the required website of resources. You need to confirm that you need to download the automated driver utility guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to Chrome. You need to search AMD driver download automated. Automatic utility. Automatic utility. And you want to install get driver with AMD auto detect and install tool. You want to click on it. Scroll down guys. Guys, you want to scroll down guys. You want to go to click on download and setup over here, and you want to click on AMD driver and support, and you want to download. Click on now, download now. Go to three dot icon and go to downloads. After downloaded show in folder, click on it. You need to install it guys. Double click on it. Click yes. Now select the browser you want to, folder you want to save it, install it. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.